The generative fill option in Photoshop doesn't work. You are in the right video. If the video works for you, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks. Well, probably when you do this, Photoshop won't let you click on Generative Fill. So there is a solution. First, let's go to Window, and make sure you have the Contextual Taskbar option enabled. Then, make sure you have a good Wi-Fi connection, so disconnect and reconnect. Now, we'll close Photoshop. And go to Adobe Creative Cloud. Then click on Updates. And then click on Check for Updates. And here we will make sure that we have the latest version of Photoshop, that is to say, to be updated. Then open Photoshop again and it should work. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.